10-step Fibonacci RSI divergence strategy, bullish trading setup backtested. Master this step-by-step Fibonacci and RSI divergence strategy to catch bullish reversals with precision, perfect for beginners and advanced traders. Backtested, simple, and powerful. Step 1. Identify the trend and swing points. Spot a bullish trend on the chart. Look for a recent pullback. Mark the swing high, the last peak before the pullback. Mark the swing low, the lowest point of the pullback. Step 2. Apply Fibonacci retracement tool. Select your Fibonacci tool. Draw from the swing high to the swing low. Focus on key levels, 50% and 61.8%. Step 3. Monitor the 50% Fibonacci level. Watch as the price retraces to the 50% level. This is a common area where buyers enter the market. It can act as a potential support zone. Step 4. Check RSI for hidden bullish divergence. Open your RSI indicator. Use the 14-period setting. Look for hidden bullish divergence. This means price forms a higher low. RSI forms a lower low. This signals weakening bearish momentum. Step 5. Confirm with price action. Check if the price holds at the 50% Fibonacci level. Look for bullish candlestick patterns, for example, hammer, bullish engulfing, or morning star. Step 6. Enter the trade. Enter your position when two things happen. First, price bounces clearly from the 50% level. Second, RSI divergence is confirmed. This is your entry signal. Step 7, set your stop loss. Set your stop loss below the 61.8% Fibonacci level, or place it below the low of the entry candle. Use whichever is closer. Step 8, define your profit targets. Target the previous swing high for your first take profit. For a more aggressive trade, use Fibonacci extensions. Aim for the 161.8% extension level. Step 9, manage risk with position sizing. Calculate your position size. Base stop loss distance. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital. Step 10, review and adjust the trade. If the trade moves in your favor, adjust your stop to break even. Close the trade early if price breaks support, or if RSI divergence fails. Bonus tip, use volume as confirmation. Rising volume on the bounce adds strength to your signal. Practice this 10-step strategy on demo charts first. Stick to your plan and trade smart. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below.